Hi guys. So here we've got, they're asking us to multiply these two values, right? We got -5 times the square root of 20 times x times 3 times the square root of 15x. Okay, so what can we do here? We're gonna combine the coefficients. We can multiply the coefficients together, and then we're gonna multiply the radicals together. So -5 times 3 is -15, okay? And now we're going to combine these two guys, these two radicals. So this is 20x times 15x, 20 times 15x squared, right? Okay. What's the square root of x squared? X, right? So -15x times 20 times 15. Can we break down these numbers, 20 and 15? I think we can, right? So we've got -15x times the square root of 4 times 5. 20 breaks down into 4 times 5 times square root, 15 breaks down into 3 times 5. So we got two 5s underneath the house, right? Underneath the radical. So if we got two 5s, we can take them both out because this is essentially square root of 5 squared, right? 5 times 5 is 25. What's the square root of 25? It's 5. So we're going to take it out. -15 times 5x times the square root of what's left? 4 times 3. Okay. So square root of -15 times 5, that's going to be 75, right? -75 x. And can this 4 break down? Well, what's the square root of 4? It's 2, right? It's 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So we can take the 2 out. So this is going to be times 2 times the square root of 3. So -75 times 2, that's going to be -150 x times the square root of 3. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay. How about 2 times the square root of 15 times w cubed times square root of 3 w to the 4th power. Okay. So, first of all, I look at w to the 4th power. The square root of w to the 4th power is going to be w squared, right? Because we take these exponents, if they're underneath if these exponents are underneath the umbrella, you can just divide it by half, and this is an even number. So you're going to get 2w squared. Now I'm going to combine these. I get 15 times 3 w to the 3rd power. Okay. Now I'm going to break this down more. I've got 2, I'm just rewriting a 2w squared. I'm going to break down what's in the radical. I got 15. Can we break down 15? 15 breaks down into 5 times 3. Carry this 3. Now w to the 3rd power is equal to, w to the 3rd power is the same as w squared times w, right? Because all this is w squared times w to the 1st power. And if you add these exponents, it gives you w to the 3rd power, okay? So there's a couple things we can take out of this radical now. We got the two 3's. 3 times 3 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. We can take 3 out. And the square root of w squared is w. We can take the w out. So this gives us 2 times 3. W squared times w. It's going to be w to the 3rd power. And we're left with, underneath the square root sign, 5 times w. Okay? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 w to the third power. Times square root of 5w. And that's it.